Hello, my name is Take. Yes, I'm in Saudi Arabia. This is one of my destinations in my whole life. So I'm so happy to be in Madinah, Saudi Arabia. And after Medina, I'm heading to Riyadh, that's the capital of the Saudi Arabia as well. So enjoy my video. Well, I landed at Madinah airport and withdrew cash from an ATM first. From the airport, I took a bus to the downtown area of Madinah, which is right in front of the Prophet Mosque. Just so you know, the bus doesn't accept any cash. I paid with my credit card. Then I met the 5 gentlemen who only had the cash, so I helped pay for all of them. Mashallah. Well, after riding the bus for about 30 minutes, I finally saw the Prophet's Mosque. It was like a dream come true. I was deeply moved. But first, I went to check in at my hotel and visit one of the most important battlefields and mosques in Islamic history. I'm taking the bus again. This one is 1 day pass, so I can ride it as much as I want today. Well, here I am, the battlefield of Uhud in Medina. It's a very important place in Islamic history. A big battle happened there between the early Muslims and the people from Mecca. At first, the Muslims were winning, but later they lost because some fighters did not follow the Prophet's orders. Many Muslim soldiers died in this battle. They are buried near the mountain, and the area is called the Grave of the Martyrs of Uhud. Today, many people visiting this place to pray and remember their sacrifice. Well, this is my favorite, Kaaba Mosque. It's the first mosque in Islam. It's located in Medina, of course. The Prophet stopped there when he first arrived in Medina and helped building it. So quiet, so beautiful, so white. I love it. Well, the outside is more than 50 degrees Celsius. In the evening, I returned to the downtown. There, waiting for me was the Prophet Mosque, shining under the starry night sky. I couldn't move. I just stood there, amazed by its beauty. I don't know what else to call this feeling but deep emotion. My heart was truly touched. This view healed my heart, which had been broken by the busy life. I'm not a Muslim, but I want to thank Allah for giving me such a beautiful moment. I really mean it. Thank you for these peaceful and wonderful experiences. Well, it's time to sign off for today. I booked a hotel room where I can see a little bit of the Prophet's Mosque from my window. It's really beautiful. I love it. I don't want to leave this place, but next, I'm heading to the capital city, Riyadh. See you again in my Riyadh video. Bye for now. Bye bye, ciao.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn.